In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view block senders in Outlook. If messages from certain people keep slipping into your inbox, or you're worried a legitimate contact might be blocked, checking your block list is a smart first step. Outlook keeps a dedicated list of addresses and domains you've marked as junk, and the path to that list is slightly different depending on whether you're using Outlook on the web or the classic desktop app. I'll walk you through both so you can quickly review who's on the list and make informed decisions. Let's start with Outlook on the web, which also covers the new Outlook experience. Look to the top right corner of your Outlook window for the small gear icon labeled Settings. Click it to open the Quick Settings pane. Scroll to the bottom of that pane and choose View All Outlook Settings. This opens the full settings window with sections on the left. Select Mail, then choose Junk Email. On this page, you'll find a section called Block Senders and Domains. That's your complete list. Take a moment to scan through it and confirm that it only contains addresses and domains you truly want blocked. If you don't immediately see the section, make sure you're in the junk email area under Mail, not in Rules or Layout. Also, remember that blocking a domain affects every address from that domain, so it's worth double-checking those entries. Now, if you're using the classic Outlook desktop app, the path looks a bit different, but it's just as simple. From your main Outlook window, go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Delete group, click Junk. From the menu that appears, select Junk Email Options. A dialog box will open with several tabs across the top. Click the Block Senders tab. Here you'll see the list of email addresses and domains you've chosen to block in the desktop app. Review the entries carefully. If your Outlook window is small, the Delete group might be collapsed. Expanding or widening the window will make the Junk button easier to find. And while you're in this dialog, be sure you stay on the Block Senders tab if your only goal is to view the list. Other tabs control different junk mail behaviors. As a quick reminder, the block list determines which messages Outlook treats as junk and diverts away from your inbox. It's good practice to review this list occasionally to avoid unintentionally blocking important senders, especially entire domains. That's it. Now you know exactly where to find your block senders in both Outlook on the web and the classic desktop app. Thanks for watching.